How to use Apple Watch as Tesla key. Step 1. Download the Watch app for Tesla from the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the app and tap Login with Tesla. Step 3. Enter your Tesla account email and tap Next. Step 4. Enter your password and tap Sign In. Step 5. Tap Choose Vehicle if you have multiple Teslas. Otherwise, the vehicle will appear automatically. Tap Activate to connect the vehicle. Step 6. If needed, return to the Settings menu on the Vehicles page. Step 7. Scroll down and toggle on Enable Bluetooth Direct Vehicle Control. Step 8. Grant Bluetooth permissions by tapping OK if prompted. Step 9. Open the Watch app for Tesla on your Apple Watch. Step 10. Tap Settings on the Watch app. Step 11. Tap Choose Vehicle and select the car if necessary. Step 12. Scroll down and tap Activate for the chosen vehicle. Step 13. Toggle Enable Bluetooth Direct Vehicle Control on. Step 14. After connecting, tap Add Key. Step 15. Place the Tesla keycard on the designated area in your vehicle and confirm the pairing request on the Tesla screen. To name the Apple Watch key, go to Locks on the Tesla display, tap the pencil icon next to the unknown key, and save the new name.